I'm Danger Man, the urban superhero, and I'm molest children. What do you think about all day? Children.
You two poop where there's smoke.
Hey, guess what? It's Justin Bieber's birthday.
No!
Look at my shirt. It's Justin Bieber. And I know it's from Walmart, but I mean, me and my friend Cypher got married at school. And yes, I love Justin Bieber. I mean, I don't know. And like, we were so mad. Oh my god! And so like Cypher was like and I see why, because I get her pain, because you know, he's just a
Piker.
just listen. What you are going to, you have no choice.
With you.
Oh my god!